Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the fascinating world of NEUROZOOM, a revolutionary supplement to help improve our health and memory. As we all know, our brain is a complex and vital organ that plays a vital role in our daily lives. And keeping it in optimal health is essential to our overall well-being. NEUROZOOM is a unique blend of natural ingredients designed to support brain health and cognitive function. The supplement contains a combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that have been shown to have a positive effect on our brain's ability to store and process information. One of the key ingredients in NEUROZOOM is Bacopa monnieri, a herb known for its ability to improve cognitive function and support brain health. Research has shown that Bacopa monnieri can help increase antioxidant levels in the brain, which can help protect against damage from free radicals and other environmental toxins. Another important ingredient in NEUROZOOM is ginkgo biloba, a powerful antioxidant that has been used for centuries to improve blood circulation and cognitive function. Ginkgo biloba has been shown to help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance, and may also help reduce symptoms of age-related cognitive decline. In addition to these two key ingredients, NEUROZOOM also contains a blend of other natural supplements that have been shown to support brain health and cognitive function. These include L-theanine, an amino acid proven to help improve focus and reduce stress, and vitamin B12, which is essential for the proper functioning of the brain and nervous system. In short, NEUROZOOM is a powerful supplement designed to support brain health and improve cognitive function. Its unique blend of natural ingredients, including Bacopa monnieri, ginkgo biloba, and other essential nutrients, can help improve our memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. If you want to improve the health and function of your brain, NEUROZOOM may be the perfect addition for you.